In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Fluffy Chat app on Android. This process is straightforward and will have you chatting in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will launch the store where you can find millions of apps and games. If you are not logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account details. This step is essential because it ensures you can download apps securely and manage your purchases. Once you're in, you will see various categories and trending apps. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store screen and type Fluffy Chat. The search bar is easily identifiable, usually at the top center of the screen. As you begin to type, suggestions may appear below. This feature makes it easier to find the app you want without having to type the full name. Once you see Fluffy Chat in the suggestions, you can either finish typing or select it directly from the list. This little action saves you time and ensures accuracy. After that, select the official Fluffy Chat app from the search results. You will know it's the official app by the developer's name and the icon. The official app should have a good number of downloads and positive reviews. It is crucial to choose the correct app to avoid installing a lookalike or potentially harmful software. Once you tap on it, you will see the app's details, including a description, screenshots, and user ratings. This information helps you understand what the app offers before downloading. Now, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located on the right side of the app details page. By tapping Install, you will begin the download process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It is important to ensure you have a stable connection during this time to avoid interruptions. Once the app is successfully downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. You will see a confirmation message, which means you are almost done. Once installation is complete, you can find the Fluffy Chat app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping the app icon will launch Fluffy Chat, allowing you to start exploring its features. This step is exciting because you are now ready to connect with friends and family through this chatting platform. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the download, checking your internet connection or restarting the Google Play Store can help. And that wraps up the process of downloading the Fluffy Chat app on your Android device. Following these steps ensures you can easily access this fantastic chatting tool. Enjoy your conversations, and remember to explore all the app features to make the most out of your experience. Thank you for watching.